Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You know, in Saudi Arabia's most critical industries, everything from oil and gas to major construction, steel wire rope is truly the unsung hero. It lifts, it pulls, it secures everything. But when it fails, well, it can become the single greatest liability to your entire operation. Today, we're going to explain exactly why. So let me start with a direct question for every single engineer and site manager watching this. Do you, hand on heart, know the correct, safest procedure for cutting wire rope on your site? It seems so simple, but getting this one thing wrong can totally compromise the integrity of that rope before it even sees its first lift. Okay, so here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll touch on why this component is so incredibly critical. Then we're going to get into the details of that cutting procedure. After that, we'll look at the staggering cost of failure. And finally, we'll show you how our complete solution at SSTC is designed to protect your operations. Think about it. Every single day, on oil rigs, on massive construction sites, in industrial plants all across the kingdom, this is the one component that ensures safety and keeps things moving. It is the physical link in all of your critical lifting, rigging, and pulling operations. And if this link breaks, everything, and I mean everything, just stops. All right, let's get a little technical now. Cutting a wire rope feels pretty straightforward, doesn't it? But this is exactly where safety and performance can be put at risk. It's what you'd call a simple operation, but it absolutely demands expert precision and using the right approach. So here it is, the crucial three-step process you see on the screen. Step 1, you must use the right tools. A high-speed disc cutter is really your best bet. And let me be perfectly clear, flame cutting is not recommended. It can seriously damage the rope's properties. Second, you have to properly seize both sides of where you plan to cut. And third, you make your cut right between those seizings. So what is this word seizing? It's not optional, it's essential. It's the process of tightly binding the rope, usually with annealed iron wire. And why do we do this? Because it stops the strands from unraveling or shifting around, which is what maintains the rope's structural integrity and its ability to carry a load. This is absolutely non-negotiable for safety. So, we've seen how to handle a rope correctly, but what happens when you don't? Or what if you're using a substandard product to begin with? Well, the consequences go way beyond just a broken rope. We are talking about a multi-million rial operation grinding to a dead halt. And I really want this to sink in. Downtime. It's not just an inconvenience. It's not some minor delay in your project schedule. In the high-stakes world of industrial operations here in the kingdom, it is a critical failure. And this right here perfectly illustrates the real impact. It is a direct and immediate threat to the two things you care about the most, your project's profitability, and even more important, the safety and well-being of every single person on your team. And to put a number on it, a production halt at a major facility here in Saudi Arabia can easily cost upwards of 3 million rials per day. That is the kind of financial risk you're carrying if this one component fails. This is exactly where we at SST come in. You see, we don't just sell you a wire rope in a box. We provide a complete solution. It's a partnership that's designed to completely eliminate the risks we've just been talking about. We're here to make sure you never have to face that kind of downtime. Tayyip, so you have a choice. You can try to source from an overseas supplier, and you'll probably get just the product along with shipping delays, communication barriers, and zero local support when you need it. Or you can partner with us, SSTC. We provide an Aramco-approved, fully supported solution right here in the kingdom. Yani, the product itself is available from many places, but you buy the complete solution and long-term peace of mind from us. We're an Aramco-approved and ISO-certified partner, so that's your guarantee of quality right there. We offer genuine, top-quality products at competitive prices, and we deliver them anywhere in the kingdom. And we provide that full turnkey service, from installation all the way to lifetime maintenance and repair. Our whole commitment is right here in Saudi Arabia. We're not some distant voice on the other end of an international phone call. We are your local partner. Our engineers, our support teams, we're on the ground, ready to support your projects wherever you are. We have physical branches in Dammam, Jubail, and Riyadh, ready to serve you directly. And our delivery network, it covers the entire kingdom. So whether your site is in Khobar, Jeddah, Ras Al Khair, or anywhere in between, we make sure you get what you need exactly when you need it. So the final decision really isn't about just picking a supplier. It's about making a strategic investment in the reliability, the safety, and the continuity of your operations. It's about choosing a complete solution that has your back. Let this be your key takeaway today. Don't just buy a product. Invest in a complete solution from an Aramco-approved partner who stands with you for the long term. That is the real value we bring to your operation. For all the procurement managers and industrial engineers watching, we invite you to reach out to us for a technical consultation. Let's talk about your specific needs and how we can enhance the safety and efficiency of your operations. Shukran. We look forward to helping your operations succeed.